Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials so you can act immediately. Open OnlyWay and sign in. Once logged in, create a new thread workspace. Make sure you choose visibility and a clear title. Next, paste your first key point and attach any image or link. This anchors the thread. Once done, save the draft to preserve formatting, then continue with the next entries. This front-loads choices so you avoid backtracking and keep the flow consistent. You now build the middle of your thread by structuring each post deliberately. Start with a concise hook of 1 to 2 sentences, then expand with 2 or 3 supporting points that add value. Use transitions like next, also, and because to keep readers oriented. When necessary, insert an image, poll, or snippet to illustrate a claim. These break text and boost engagement. Make sure to preview between posts so formatting and links render correctly before publishing. You finish by reviewing and polishing every post for clarity, then publish the thread when the sequence reads smoothly. Once live, watch for responses and reply promptly to sustain momentum. You can pin crucial updates or add an edit note. If something breaks, misformatted text, missing images, re-edit the draft and republish. If problems persist, clear your cache or export the content and import into a fresh thread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.